Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Rajanigandha, also known as tuberose, is a fragrant flowering plant. This plant is native to Mexico and Central America, but is widely grown in India. This plant is known as a summer plant, and in winter it goes in full dormancy period. Previously we had uploaded lots of videos about this tuberose plant, so if you had not watched those videos, then make sure to go and watch them. Today I will tell you about the basic cure of the plant, plus I will tell you how to grow this tuberose plant from bulb. And these bulbs my mom preserved from previous plants. So keep on watching to know how my mom preserved the buds from previous plant and how she grew it into a new plant. Just after winter, the plant's health was like this. And after my mom removed the plant from the pot, she found bulbs like these. And for 1 week, my mom sun-dried these. In winter also you can sun-dry it, but my mom preferred sun-drying it after winter season. Now let me tell you how you can plant your very own Rajanigandha plant from your own bulbs. First thing that you need to keep in mind is to choose a suitable location. Rajanigandha plant needs warm and sunny location, so does its bulbs. So make sure to find a warm and sunny location with a well-drained soil. Next thing is to prepare the soil. Make sure that the soil is well drained and is rich in organic matter. Here my mom added some garden soil, tea leaf compost and kitchen waste compost. Tea leaf contains high nitrogen and kitchen waste compost contains all micro and macronutrients. Next thing you need to do is to plant the bulbs just as my mom did right now. As you know, Rajanigandha bulbs should be planted in spring after frost. Those who haven't planted till now, you can still plant it. As you can see, my mom just pressed the bulbs against the soil like this. Then after all of this, you just need to water your bulbs. Believe me or not, when this plant blooms, it looks so beautiful and the fragrance is so good that it will relieve all the stress and promote relaxation. After 7 to 10 days, the plants will grow from the bulbs like this. And time to time, make sure to remove the weeds or it will hamper the health of the plant. Oh, before I tell you anything else, let me tell you about the watering cure of the plant. Your Rajanigandha requires regular watering. Just make sure not to overwater it. Also make sure to fertilize your plants every 2 weeks during the growing season with a balanced fertilizer. Don't worry about what kind of fertilizer to give because you can balance it with only kitchen waste compost. Now let me tell you about the mulching. Add a layer of organic mulch such as straw or shredded leaves around the bulbs to help retain moisture and suppress weed growth. My mom is using coco pit as a mulch for the plant. Now I will tell you some questions and some answers of these plants. Is this Rajanigandha plant good for home? It is one of the best plants to keep at home as it strengthens the love in your family and brings prosperity into your life. Second question is, what are the benefits of keeping your Rajanigandha plants in your garden? Rajanigandha flower is one of the best natural stress reliever. Its pleasant aroma of the flower relaxes the body and calms the mind. It is used to manage insomnia, anxiety, stress, anger, confusion. And I hope if you keep on taking care of your plants like this, you will get good and healthy flowers from these plants. I hope you liked this video. If you did like this video, then make sure to stay with us and stay tuned for the next videos while liking this video. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.